Hello everyone, this is my review of the easygoing patio rectangular patio furniture cover. The cover fits my sectional perfectly, providing comprehensive protection against the elements. The material feels sturdy and has withstood several heavy rainfalls without any leakage. The straps and buckles ensure the cover stays in place, even on windy days. I also appreciate the air vents, which help prevent condensation buildup. Overall, this cover offers excellent value for its price and gives me peace of mind knowing my outdoor furniture is well protected. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.